So you're in the market to buy a new trailer, cargo trailer like this, camper, whatever. And one of the things that's going to happen is the dealer's going to say, hey, you want these tracks installed? Great. We're going to install them at the shop. We're not going to have the manufacturer incorporate them in. One of the problems with that, though, at least in my experience, is I don't know because I didn't ask, and this trailer's like 6 or 7 years old, but these were installed after the fact. This flooring, I like it, but if they didn't convey to the manufacturer that they're going to be putting this track down in this specific location, do you think the manufacturer knew to put enough material underneath here? I mean, could you imagine if I was going down the highway and I got 2 4-wheelers strapped in and these are bouncing all over the place like that? I mean, that's just ridiculous. So how do we solve this? I think what I'm going to do is, I'll show you underneath, but I've got some flat washers that are really wide, and these are zinc because we want to make sure, since we're using aluminum, we use zinc coated. And then I've got some zinc coated lock nuts as well. So let's take a look underneath. I'm hoping you guys are picking this up okay, but as you can see, these bolts, there's nothing but the floor, and it's probably 1/8 inch aluminum. And once they go in, yes, they hold tight. After that, you move them around, you loosen them up. Years of use, they're going to oblong those holes, and then they're going to start pulling out. So let's get into fixing the problem. Okay, I got one done, so we'll see how this goes. So as you can see, I just used a vibrating saw, plunge saw, or whatever you call it. I'll show you it in a second. Put 2 washers up there, and then one of the nuts, lock nuts, seems to be holding pretty good, so I think I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go and mark the rest of them so that I don't have such a wide gap there where I have to cut so much out. I'm going to go do the rest of them, and then we'll check back and see how it turned out. And that's how you do it. Alright, everything turned out really well. Everything's nice and secure again. I can use this, so I'm pretty happy about that. Some thoughts though. If I was going to do this all over again, I would get longer bolts. Why didn't I do that, you ask? Well, because I'm on a time crunch. We're going wheeling tomorrow, and I need to be able to haul 2 machines. So it works. I'm going to leave it like that for now. But I think in the future, what I'll probably do is order some longer bolts and then save the cutting and the hammering and all that fun stuff. But good luck to you all when you're buying a trailer. Consider these types of things. Enjoy.